as you know, Pakistan and Azerbaijan has a close brotherly relationship. Do you think what can hopes for extended more relationship and growing relationship in coming years?
Yes, if you look at the trajectory of Azerbaijan-Pakistan relations, you will see it is from day by day, from year to year, it is increasing. We always, every year, achieving new heights in our relations. Because our relations, our brotherly bonds based on our shared values, common faith, and also huge and historical heritage and experience extending help to each other throughout the history. And I am very happy once again to be here in Multan. I am very honored because, as you know, Multan is the city after which this caravanserai named it with this name of the city, Multan Caravanserai in Baku, which was built 600 years ago, especially for the traders from Multan. That shows our relations is not just modern days relations that we are not trying to increase and develop, but it comes from the history. It comes from the people to people historical relations. That's why it based on the very let's say profound foundation, and it gives us not only hope, it gives us let's say huge horizons for the future relations that we of course inshallah will achieve very soon with the new achievements.
As you mentioned, Multan Sarai in Baku. What do you think? You are here in the city of saints. Do you think that the culturally heritage can be shared with new horizons?
Yes, of course, from both sides, from Baku side and from Multan side, there's huge interest and readiness, as you mentioned, go with this new cultural exchange between two cities, because we have to transmit it to young generation that these two cities was very closely connected with each other in the mid-ages or even.
You have a plan we heard that, we reports that you are planning to establish a Silk Route Museum in Baku. Do you think Multan and South Punjab can be added in this?
Yes, of course. It is, I think, only or maybe one of the few historical heritage abroad the country. It is Multani Caravanserai. It belongs not only to Azerbaijan, but it belongs also to people of the Multan. And we should cooperate in this regard. Inshallah, this Caravanserai, I think, will be play the central role for all fledged, full-fledged, cooperation in our relations. That's why we have to use the potential for bringing peoples closer and then telling them it is not today's plans that we are implementing. It is the historical and natural, background that we are just building all these relations.
Last, how do you conclude your visit to Multan and this area?
Of course, Multan, city of the saints, at the same time is the city of the open-air museum. I mean, just to understand how civilizations, emerged, in the world, especially in this part of the world, you have to visit Multan. You have to visit these historical places, understand and how the richest history Pakistan bears. And it shows how the society in Pakistan are civilized. And, it not only culture, it shows this economic might of without economic might, you cannot build such a civilization. That's why I am inviting Azerbaijanis traders, investors, show due attention to cooperation to Multan, and make again this Multani Caravanserai start working there. And we reciprocated from our side last year, opening Azerbaijan trade house in the Punjab in Lahore.